Ready to master the art of mortgage? Join me as we navigate the 7 essential steps that will turn you into a savvy home buyer. From pre-qualification to closing the deal, this video is your roadmap for mortgage mastery. My name is Justin Dickey, and I'm your Huntington, West Virginia real estate agent. If this is your first time on the channel, go ahead and subscribe, as I'll be releasing more videos on real estate knowledge, community highlights, and touring some fantastic properties. This video is for first-time home buyers or repeat home buyers that just need a refresher on what it's like to purchase a home with a loan. If you have any specific questions about mortgage rates or are curious which loan type is best for you, contact your favorite loan officer for guidance. Let's jump into these 7 steps that will take you from the beginning of your journey into moving into your new abode. Step number 1. Pre-qualification. This essential first step allows you to understand how much of a home you can afford to keep you within your home buying budget. This is an informal way to determine how much money you may be able to borrow. It could be automated, over the phone, or in person. You can simply state your credit score, your income, any long-term debt that you have, and your down payment. Without any obligations, this is a ballpark figure on the price of houses that you may consider. Step number 2 is submitting the paperwork to get you pre-approved. The difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved is that you need to supply documentation to prove your income. Some examples of documentation that a lender may ask of you are W-2s from the past 2 years, bank statements, paycheck stubs, copies of driver's licenses, and employment history for the past 2 years if any changes have happened. There are many other items that a lender may ask of you, but we're not going to get into that here. Step 3, finding your home. Now that you know how much home you can afford, it's safe to begin your search. You could have begun after the pre-qualification process, but now that you're pre-approved, you can have a more concrete idea on the loan that you may obtain. In addition, it will allow you to create a more substantial offer on properties that you like and is essential in sellers markets where competition is fierce. Some home buyers start looking at homes as their first step, but this is a big mistake. It could be a huge disappointment when you realize that you can't obtain a loan to get the house of your dreams, or in the opposite direction, you could be able to purchase above what you initially thought. Getting pre-approved eliminates that wasted time. Step 4. Home appraisal. The appraisal process is a crucial step in the journey of purchasing a home with a mortgage. It involves a detailed assessment of the property's value by a licensed appraiser to ensure that the current value of the home aligns with the loan's amount. The appraiser considers various factors such as the condition of the property, the location of it, comparable sales in the area, and current market trends. Their evaluation provides both the buyer and the lender with confidence that the value of the property aligns with the price being paid, safeguarding the investment and helping secure the mortgage to make your home buying dreams a reality. Step 5, getting insurance. Most mortgage lenders require home insurance that protects against fires and other hazards such as floods. Some loans also require mortgage insurance if your down payment is less than 20%. I always recommend that a buyer starts contacting their preferred insurance companies as soon as their offer is accepted. The insurance commitment is going to be needed before finalizing the loan. Step 6, loan processing and underwriting. In this step, puzzle pieces of your application come together and decisions are made. First, all the supplied documents are checked for accuracy and completeness. Once it's verified that you meet the lender's criteria for the loan and the property meets their standards, you are then moved on to the underwriter. In underwriting, your financial documents, your credit history, and the property appraisal are going to be scrutinized. At this point, they may request additional information or clarification if necessary. Step 7, the final one, closing and funding. With the underwriter's approval and all documents submitted, the loan packet is then sent to the attorney or title company for signatures and to be filed for records. The title company is where you're going to be if you are able to do a physical closing. Sometimes they're done virtually online. After signing several disclosures, acknowledgements, a deed, a note, etc., your hand's going to be cramping, but Funds will be dispersed and you are a new homeowner. Congratulations! While going through this process, it's absolutely necessary that you don't negatively affect your finances. Don't quit your job. Don't take significant debt, and be careful about closing credit cards as it may affect your credit score. If you want to celebrate your new home purchase with a new BMW, just wait till after closing day. But in all seriousness, your loan officer will keep you on track financially to make sure that you can get to closing day successfully. If you need a recommendation on a trusted local lender in the Huntington area, feel free to contact me. I know several that take great pride in making the American dream of homeownership a reality. As always, please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. I hope this overview of the loan process added another wrinkle to your brain, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.